What's happening, guys? It's Mike French here, and we got something really cool for you today. We have a freestyle ramp. That's right, we have the real deal, full-blown professional freestyle ramp. It turns into a trailer, and we brought it here to the shop because I'm gonna do some work on it. But first, we're gonna jump it. So we got a bitchin' dirt little hill outside the shop. It's gonna be perfect for what we wanna do, set up the ramp, do a little 60-foot hip or so, second gear we're thinking, and we're gonna have some fun. So my buddy Skyler, he bought the ramp, he owns it, he's gonna show up here soon. I'm just setting up some of the camera equipment, and we're gonna set up the ramp, trim the little trees, and we're gonna get it going. So the goal is throw some second gear seat bounce whips and make it happen. Last week we tried it. We're gonna set it up. Setting it up because we're gonna hit it. But we didn't really get the ramp set up properly, so we're going for it again, guys. So here we go. Let's jump into it. Here we go. Come towards you, come towards you. Boom! Yee! Coming down, that's it. Yeah! Hammer down, guys. We're doing it. Alright guys, so we did the ramp again and it didn't work out this time again. The landing wasn't proper, the angle of it's just not right with this hill. So we set it up right here. You can see Skyler right there, he's kind of disappointed because we did it. We trimmed this tree right here for like 2 hours and we dialed it in, and yeah, up there is where we were landing and the angle's not right. It's just not steep enough for a ramp this poppy even at half ramp. So that's the deal, guys. So we're gonna go back to the drawing board and we're gonna try to do it again maybe one day, but different spot probably. So that's the deal. See you guys soon.